So, in the previous two lectures, we have been basically discussing the different forms in its static and movable formation. Now, when we said it's static or it's in a movement, the movement that we talked about was actually not the real or physical movement. Rather, we explored the illusion of movement in our discussion. When we say that it gives us a sense of movement, it looks like a moving object, but it's not actually moving. We should also consider quite a few other examples like the kinetic sculptures, like which are based on the kinematic principles, where the object actually moves. There are lots of artworks. I'll refer you Alexander Calder's work. You please see the videos of those works, and they are amazing, where he used some principle where the sculpture keeps moving on its own. So, it's a physical movement. There are also aspects that you may make further study, that is on the kinematic empathy. So, it's more like when we have the kinesthetic empathy, that's more like we want to show as the painter or as a creator, we are giving a sense of movement that gets transformed to the viewer, and the viewer feels that movement inside him or her. So, that's another way of dealing with movement. But they are the complexities of experimentation. Let us come down to the basic and see how we can use repetition to give movement to a form. Repetition is one quality that is a must, but we have different approaches of showing this repetition. Let us try to see that with some examples. So, this is one example of a movement where it is happening in different sequences. Like if this is our main character who is in a journey, he is following a path where he actually he covers one tree like character that is there, he passes through it, he reaches here in the next sequence, that is the sequence 2. So, from 1 to 2 it is a journey, but we read it in a different order as we do that in comic strips, that he is coming from here to here. These are two different drawings, but we read it as a similar character because of the similarity, of their physical structure. The similarity has some variation, but we will have to make sure that they look slightly similar. They should not be too dissimilar. And then he interacts with another tree. So, we can probably give them a dialogue that, hello, can you tell me a direction? He says a house number probably, and he answers, okay, go straight, turn left, and he will find the thing. So, that is a possibility that you can guess. So, anyway, he gets the information, he moves further, he enters another sequence where he gets to see the house he was looking for. Now, he sees the house, he comes here and he wonders how to get inside the house because the door is too small, the person is too big. Now, what he does, because of his flexible structure, he crawls in. So, in the sequence 6, we see a partial body that is half inside the house. So, in the next sequence, we can skip a few movements and just show that the person is happily settled in, he is reading a book. You can also see a partner who is already sleeping there. So, he is enjoying a book in the starlight. So, that is how we make our stories. We say that some movement is taking place. So, this is one way of storytelling where we make the character, we repeatedly make the same character with slight movement, slight difference of the body parts, and we make the viewer understand from their previous experiences that how they are going to behave. So, even without putting much of a word or much of a dialogue, we can make out what is taking place, because we need to get some familiarity of our daily experience of actions, and we can create amazing sequences through that with minimal words, minimal conversation. So, basically a visual reading that takes place in this situation, and that way like we use that when we go for comic strip or graphic novels, graphic narratives. Now, this approach is very different from the earlier approach with some similarities. So, in this picture it is done in a single frame. So, in this frame we get to see the character being repeated quite a few times. So, he is repeated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times. So, instead of having all those 6-7 frames, we are trying to combine all those 6 frames or 7 frames into one frame. So, it is the single frame that we are talking about. So, what we get to see in this single frame is the person who is walking, is the same person repeated in the figure, but we read it as a single person. Nobody will say that there are multiple people who are coming in. So, it is just one character who is in different action. He also interacts with the tree on his way. He gets the direction, he finds out the house where he wants to get in. So, he enters inside and settles down. So, all these things are happening in a single frame. So, that is one option, and we see that many of the traditional narrative compositions, you may find it in high Renaissance in some of the places where you see Masaccio. He is one of the 4 figure of Renaissance. That was in the early Renaissance time that he created narratives, and those are the oldest examples of this kind of narrations. We see similar things in Indian art also. So, by repeating a figure, we get a sense of movement. This is one character in a particular size that is getting repeated quite a few times. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. And another character who has the similar, it is the same physical structure, but it is a little smaller in size. So, it is getting repeated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So, through this repetition it gives you a sense of action. You feel as if they are moving, though the character is not changing at all, the figures are only getting repeated. So, through repetition we can create a sense of movement, an illusion of movement in a composition. We will see a similar example that is present in Indian art, and that is also connected to a metaphor. Indian art is full of metaphor. So, if we take a traditional painting from Nathadwara, this is a temple, it is from a temple tradition of Nathadwara. Of a miniature painting. The legacy is still being continued by the traditional artist of that place. So, in Nathadwara miniature painting, we see the character of Krishna in the narrative of a dance performance that is known as Rasa Leela. In the Rasa Leela painting, the paintings on the topic Rasa Leela, where Krishna is performing dance with multiple gopis, they are the milkmaids of that region who are the friends of Krishna, and they are willing to participate in dance with Krishna. Now, Krishna being an individual, how will he satisfy the need of all the gopis, because there are in numbers. So, in this story Krishna gets multiplied, with his magical action. So, we get to see multiple Krishna in a dancing sequence dancing with the gopis. So, the composition has a round movement in it, which is round and frontal, and we see Krishna placed at the center, and this Krishna image is the idol that we see in the Srinathji temple of Nathadwara. In Nathadwara miniature painting, where we see the image of Srinathji dancing with the main Gopini, she is Radha, right at the center, and the image gets multiplied. So, we get to see multiple Krishna in the whole composition repeated dancing with each gopis in a circular order. So, that is another kind of narrative repetition that is very common to depict the analogies, depict the metaphors of art. There are other ways to show movement through fuzzy outlines, through anticipated movement. So, we will slowly move to all those examples. Let us see by drawing, by doing, how they act. A fuzzy outline in a drawing gives a great sense of movement. And it is very interesting to see how the fuzzy outline can be made contrasted with some stable forms. Like for example, if we add some architectural structure at the background of this drawing, it will become even more movable. So, an active foreground with a static background may create order. So, let us observe what we have done here. One is we have created a contrast, of a very fuzzy outline in the foreground like this, the fuzzy outlines in the foreground and steady outlines at the background. There are structures which are stable in the background. They are architectural structure. So, our experience says that they do not move, they are stable. And then we have characters in the foreground who are highly active. So, through the active and stability, it is like the stability and instability contrast. The contrast factor is working here to emphasize the movement or the action. So, capturing movement and stability had been practiced in many different ways. There are examples of chronophotographs where through the invention of modern photography, the scientists they could capture the movement like analytically. It is more like when somebody is jumping or leaping or flying. Or some similar action that is taking place, the camera could capture each and every fraction of seconds, so that to know analytically how the action actually takes place. So, an action is a combination of multiple static movements, and that is perhaps the fundamental of motion picture